clear blue carbon actually looks great. This is the best looking Brabus GTS I've seen. Is it 900 GTS or is it 1000? I'm not sure. What a crazy build from Brabus. Talk about going all out. This is crazy. Oh yeah, Rocket 1000. I was like, is it 1000 or is it 900? But it's Brabus Rocket 1000. 1000 horsepower, 953,000 euros. So is it SL63 rear lights? Pretty discreet interior. Brabus masterpiece. I really like this little detail here. Wow. And leather everywhere, of course. Yes, can't believe it's like a full carbon car, right? Oh, it's open. Wow. So there's blue details everywhere. Even here, it's leather. Leather on the floor. Brabus masterpiece. Stunning. Super stunning. Brabus, like some kind of coupe-ish in clear carbon, the whole car. Blue clear carbon. It's not bad. I mean, the clear carbon doesn't look bad. Rocket GTS 1000, 953,000 euros. Brabus. Blue, I mean, I like the color. Tinted blue clear carbon. Nothing wrong with that. GTS. This is actually the best looking Brabus GTS I've seen.